Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I apologize for like the little mini mess that's going on behind me. I just filmed a TikTok, but I literally just got out of the shower. As you can see, my hair is still pretty wet, and I got the new Dyson Airwrap about like 2 months ago, and I haven't shown you guys here on YouTube. So I wanted to do a video showing you guys how I use it. I pretty much use it the same way that I used my old one, but I feel like my hair looks better with this one. I feel like it's less frizzy. So for those of you who were unsure if you wanted to get the new one or if you wanted to keep your old one or whatever the case is, this video is for you. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this video. So the only reason I got the new one is because my old one for some reason started smoking, which is actually really annoying because Dyson only gives you a 2-year warranty with it. So I literally was out of my 2-year warranty by I think 4 months, because I got it in April of 2020 and my old one went bad in August of this year. So I was really only out of warranty for 4 months, and honestly I can't live without this thing. It has become my favorite like hair tool to use of all time, so I always am using it. So I definitely couldn't go without it, so I went ahead and purchased the new one. This is what it looks like. It comes in so many color options, but when I went to purchase mine at that time, it was sold out everywhere, so I was only able to get mine from Nordstrom, and this was the color that Nordstrom had, which I really like. I did want the blue one that they have, but I mean, this is totally fine too. It's not a big deal. It's about 90% dry, so I have this new blow dryer attachment on it. This is what the old one looked like, so obviously you can tell that they are very different. This one works as a blow dryer and then as a flyaway attachment as well, so I'm just going to use it to kind of rough dry the roots in my hair. I just really go all over my hair, and I like to lift so I can really get the roots dry. And then I really focus like on the top of my hair, like my roots up here, because that's where I get the most frizzy, so I want to make sure that they're totally dry. Okay, so once I do that, I just go ahead and comb through it very gently, because this kind of does make my hair a little bit knotty. Oh, see, I have a big knot right here. My hair gets knotted so easily. It's so frustrating. So yeah, I just go through very slow and very softly, just so I don't rip my hair out or cause any breakage. I do want to show you guys what I use to prep my hair. I totally forgot to do that. I went with the Kendra Blow Dry Mist. I either use the mist or the spray, either one. And then I go in from like mid to end with the Fave 4 Smooth For Sure Blowout Cream for Shine and Heat Protection. So I'm pretty sure both of these have heat protectant. I'm pretty sure. Actually, this one doesn't say if it does or doesn't, but I know that this one has heat protectant up to 450 degrees, and the Dyson doesn't do too much damage to my hair, but it is still heat, in my opinion, at the end of the day, so it can cause some damage. But I love to use this because it really smooths out my ends, and I have really fine hair, so my hair gets like broken really easily. So now that my hair is combed out, what I'll do is I'll take the round brush attachment, and I'll kind of just work on like my roots. So I'll go like this. Oh, I just ripped it off. I guess I didn't secure it. Hold on. Alright, there we go. So I'll go like this, just to give my roots a little bit of lift and volume, just like this. And then I really focus on back here, because I feel like back here is where my hair gets the most greasy and the most flat. So I do really like to focus it back here to get some volume. Now that I did that, I will go ahead and comb through my hair one more time. And now I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair. I do, like I said in the beginning, feel like this gives me less flyaways. This Dyson, the other one, I used to have so much flyaways and so much frizz. Like, I do still suffer from frizzy hair, especially in the summer. That's why I'm so happy right now that it's fall, because my hair will not be freaking out. So I just section off like pretty much the top half of my hair, and I'll just use a little clip, section it, and then once my hair is sectioned off, I will go in with the long barrel attachment. This is the 1.2 millimeter one, I'm pretty sure it is. It's the smaller one out of the two. So it comes to two. You get the big one, then you get this one. Since I have shorter hair, I like to use the smaller one because it gives me a little bit more tighter curls. So, and then these are different because, as you can see, the arrows point to different directions. So if you're doing the right side of your hair, you want to make sure your hair is blowing this way, and then if you're doing the left side of your hair, you want to make sure the arrow is pointing that way. So it's a little bit easier because you don't have to go between the two barrels. I'm going to start on the right side of my hair, and I always kind of start like back to front. So I will just grab like a piece like this, and I always just comb it through, and then just go ahead and just let it do its thing. And I'll hold it for about like 10 seconds. This one I have noticed, I'm sorry, I'm screaming, I want you guys to hear me. But with this barrel, it doesn't blow as much air. So when I use my older barrels, I do notice a difference that it blows more air. This one doesn't. So I think that's why my hair doesn't get as frizzy, because it's not blowing as much like air, if that makes sense. And I will just take it down, and then voila. So I will just continue that all around my hair. I also think this Dyson does dry my hair faster than the other one. I feel like in like 2 seconds my hair is dry, and I can definitely see the difference because this one, when I started using it, was a lot more powerful than my older one, and it's a little bit heavier weight-wise, so I think that's why it's obviously more powerful. So once I finish one side, I will go in with my Way texture spray, and I will just spray all around like that, just to hold the curls in place. I just flip it, and now I can go ahead and do my left side. So same concept. My left side's a little bit harder for me because I am right hand dominated. I'm sorry I'm leaning this way. My mirror is right here, so that's why I'm leaning this way. But just do the same exact thing. The same thing, I'll take my Way spray and just go ahead and spray all over to hold it in place. Now I will take down the top half, and I already parted my hair, so my hair will kind of fall into the part just like that. And then I will just comb this out. The top half is always easier for me because there's less hair. I always like do most of my hair like on the bottom, and then I leave the top like not as much. So same exact concept, just letting it go like this. Alright, so spray again. This is legit the best texture spray ever. Like, if you guys have never tried that, I've spoke about that texture spray for years. It is my go-to. I cannot like live without it. Now for my bangs, I will obviously take off that attachment. I'm gonna attach the round brush one now, and I just take them and make sure all my other hair is pushed aside, comb through them very quickly, and then I will just take the round brush attachment and go right underneath, just like this. And then I'll go back one time, and then right underneath. And then I will take a roller and roll my hair back, just like that. And then I will just clip it. I try not to use too much heat on my bangs because I have noticed that I do have a little bit of breakage. Like, I don't know if you guys can see those pieces right there. That is breakage, so I really try not to use too much heat on them because of that. Now what I do is I just let everything cool, so I'm going to go ahead and get dressed, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I just went ahead and changed my outfit, so my hair is pretty much cool now, and as you can see, the curls are falling more into waves, which I really like. So I'm just going to go ahead and just gently just comb through them. I'm not going to be too aggressive because I don't want them to fall totally, you know what I mean? So I'm just going super smooth, just like this. We'll take the texture spray again and just spray pretty much everywhere, just to give it a little bit of hold. And then I'm going to go ahead and take out my bangs. It's been about like 10 minutes. Ooh. So I'm just going to go ahead and unroll them. And then sometimes what I like to do is I like to just go one more time, just right over them, not too long, just to kind of give them the shape. And then this is what they fall to. Love all the volume, obsessed with it. Okay, so I actually need to run out because I'm running late for my nail appointment, but this is the end result and I love it. I do genuinely like the new one better than the old one. I know a lot of people say you don't need the new one, and you don't. You definitely don't. But in my case, with my hair type, I have fine, thin hair. This one works better. As you can see, there's really no flyaways happening. Like, I use these two products, which definitely help, but even when I would use these with the old one, I would still get a significant amount of flyaways, and with this one, I really have nothing. So I really love this. I really hope this gave you guys some tips and some tricks if you have a hair type like mine, short, fine, thin hair. But yes, that's all I have for you guys in today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know. Are you Dyson Airwrap girls? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Tell me all of your thoughts. I know it's very controversial hair dryer. Not a lot of people love it, but a lot of people do love it. Like I said, I am one that is like ride or die for it. But yes, that's all I have for you guys in today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!